Welcome to It's RHODE'S. Welcome everybody to this YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you what we're going to have for dinner. As you saw, this beautiful place, Hickory Campground in Denver, PA, is amazing. And what I'm going to do now is dinner. Remember, when you're camping, you want to make things that are super easy to make. And in my case, I brought my own grill. It's an electric grill. And I also brought a little stove where I am going to boil my potatoes. I have these potatoes. These are red potatoes, as you can see. I'm gonna do mashed potatoes with beef, and this cut is the New Year's strip, and it's gonna be so easy to make that I believe is gonna be a great idea every time you go camping. The first thing I'm gonna do is to peel the potatoes and cut them in cubes, and that's gonna be pretty much what I'm gonna do now. After I pour water here, I'm gonna add a little bit of chicken bouillon, at least 1 teaspoon, and I'm gonna put this to boil for 25 to 30 minutes. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna season this New Year's strip. Make sure that it's completely defrosted. We don't want frozen meat here. This is ready to be cooked. I'm gonna season it well. Very simple. I'm not gonna add too many seasoning to this because I really wanna taste the flavor of the meat. I'm gonna put some paper towel here just to pat it dry. I'm gonna add a pinch of pink salt. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Make sure that both sides are well seasoned. Now I'm gonna add oil with achiote to give it a little bit of color. If you don't have achiote oil, it doesn't matter, you can use any other oil of your preference. I really love olive oil. It is really important that the grill is super hot before placing the meat in here. have a red bell pepper and yellow onion, I'm gonna add this to the grill as well. If you like this video so far, give us a like, share this video, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If this is the first time that you watch one of our videos, let us know in the comments below from which country or city you are watching us. If you like medium rare meat, you just only give it at least 2.5 minutes for each side, and that will be it. In my case, since I have bad experience eating half medium rare, I prefer well done, and that's why I gave it more than 5 minutes on each side, or 5 minutes on each side. This meat is ready. I'm just gonna cut it to serve it with the vegetables. Now let's do the vegetables. Tiny pink in the middle, the center, but look at the juiciness of this meat, you guys. Look how juicy this meat is, you guys. Oh my goodness, I wish you can smell the aroma of this meat. So juicy and tender. Wow, it is really amazing. Look at this meat, you guys. It's so juicy and tender. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to try this. I'm gonna throw away a little bit of the water, not all of it, because I want to keep a little bit of the chicken bouillon and all this really good flavor to make the mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter, and let's make the mashed potatoes. If you want to add a little bit of heavy cream or milk, you can do so. In my case, I'm gonna keep it just like this. is how this beautiful plate ends up being, you guys. This is so good, so yummy. Oh my goodness, we cannot wait to try these mashed potatoes with these New Year's strip fajitas that are so good and so tender and yummy. I hope you like this video in harmony with nature, and I cannot wait to try this, guys. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.